So today is all about how to organize your restroom. Yes, so I came up with this idea. I thought, okay, why not I show my washroom also how I organized here. And okay, it's not that okay, you should only show the best places of your house and show all the good parts, how you organized it and the beautiful corner of your house. No, why not? This is the place where you have to make it more neat and tidy, because every now and then we use washroom, so that should be most hygienic place. Okay, so I thought I will just show you. I don't know how many of you people would prefer to see this, but there's nothing bad. Okay, I have not used that much of creative ideas here, because obviously it's a washroom, so how much can you implement? But with whatever limited space I had here, I just made use of that space, arranged it, and hope you will like it and enjoy it. And okay, let's see how I arranged it. So this is the entire view of our washroom. So right now this is how I arranged it, but I'm going to make a slight change here. Going to organize in a much more better way. So this is how our brush and paste, everything is kept. So now I thought we'll just change it. It's been very long. We've been using the same toothbrush holder. So let's have a change. Instead, I'm going to use this super cute Mr. and Mrs. toothbrush holder. Now, toothpaste, I just kept it in my toothbrush holder. It doesn't matter in which toothbrush holder it stays, as long as these things has got its own place. So now that's that. So this is the final look. I wanted to just give a different look to my washroom instead of just keeping those normal things. I just wanted to add little more additional things. So it's always better to have some change. Come on, make it a little more, you call it fancy or more interesting. To give it a little more fancy look to my washroom, I just placed this case and I just arranged these body lotion, body mist, all these travel size toiletries, especially for the guests. Obviously I'm not going to use these soaps. You see these cute little soap bars, so I got to buy these. So I placed them here. And this wettable tissue, this, trust me, this is a very good brand, and this not like other pocket tissues. So I placed all these things just for the guest, just to give it a different look also, just to make it quite interesting. Because I've seen in hotels, when you go these 5-star hotels, they place these kind of body lotions and everything. So I thought, why don't I try a little bit? I don't know how many people will like it, but that's that. And when you come here, just I put those small flower vase here. I know that's not the right place, but I don't need to put here anything, because I have the soap dish here, and for the candle, it's always better to have a candle in your washroom. Okay, it gives a nice fragrance. So this is the sticker which I bought for the toilet seat, and I'm sure everyone is aware of the fact that when we are expecting some guests to our house, we should always keep the toilet seat closed, even if it is clean. Maybe they are just getting in to wash their hands, so they don't like, some people, they don't like to see the toilet seat open. So it's always better to keep the toilet seat closed. Okay, now I'm going to stick this over here and let's see how it looks. And that's the cute little panda on our toilet seat. I know that sounds funny, but still. And to give little more beautiful look to our washroom, I bought this shower curtain, and this is from IKEA. On the corner side of my washroom, I kept these things here which I use on daily basis. Now I'm going to arrange this by using an organizer. I'll show you how I did that. So I bought this cute smiling face storage basket, so I'm going to keep all the things here. And I'm keeping this body wash here. I'm going to replace this flower. It's been very long time now, maybe more than 4 years I'm using the same flower vase for our washroom, so I thought I'll just replace it with a new one. Instead I'm going to keep this flower vase, and yep, now it looks much more beautiful. See, it doesn't matter like what you keep, but you know, even if it's a washroom, we have to maintain it the most beautiful manner, because that really adds to the cleanliness of our house. So simple as that. I found out a place for this. See, you know, it doesn't matter, you know, if you have a new one, it's not necessary you have to throw the old one. You can find a place for an old piece. And here I kept my shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, everything here. I used this kind of organizer, and this is again a magazine holder, but I used it to arrange these things here. Another thing which I added to my washroom is this washcloths, some extra washcloths, and these are especially for the guests. And I saw this and I just liked it so much, so I bought this. And I bought this especially because I knew I had something to hang in my washroom. That's why I got this idea to do it in this manner. Showed you before, that's it, nothing much. Washcloths for our guests. Cool, right? I don't know how cool it's for you, but for me, I find even a small change, you know, it's very interesting for me. Okay, then normal, you know, what roll I use for cleaning my washroom. I use this brush, because this brush is very useful because it comes with the wiper and the brush. It's 2-in-1, so that's good. And behind you can see this one, that is for my son. That's very useful for him, that we bought from IKEA for the kids. It's very nice. You can buy that if you are not aware of that. You can see this thing. Okay, and that's it, nothing much. Then there's a place for, then I know these are unnecessary stuffs what I'm showing, but of course you need to show all the things. You cannot say, oh, these things are not there in your washroom. Then what all I use to clean my washroom, that's it. And a small dustbin there. Yep, there goes my new flower vase. And that's it. So this is my favorite cabinet, which I did an additional fitting. I just wanted to, you know, store some things here in my washroom, so I just bought this from IKEA. Next thing, to give a nice fresh smell to our washroom, I'm using this Airwick. You can just adjust it, like you can just switch it off whenever not required. If you're expecting some guests, you can just switch it on. It's battery operated. And this one I place it on the top here, so it gives a nice fresh smell. So this is the entire view of our washroom. Hope I was able to give you some ideas which you might be aware or you might not be aware. But so that's all about the restroom organizing vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. So see you next week. Until then, take care and bye bye.